Welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video, we are going to start talking about an alternative way to design a control unit, that is microprogrammed control unit approach. Before that, let's look at some drawbacks of hardwired control unit. First of all, it is very complex to design because it contains a combinational logic which is very difficult to realize because due to the number of inputs and the different types of inputs it has. So the complexity of design is one issue regarding hardwired control unit. The second problem is that it is very inflexible. That means once the control unit is designed and later if you want to add another instruction to the instruction set, you cannot do it because the control unit design has to be altered. So these two are the major drawbacks of hardwired unit. So let's look at some solutions we can think of to resolve these drawbacks. So first of all, the complexity issue can be addressed by using software approach during the implementation. So if we can have the software approach like programming languages for the designing of control unit, that can simplify the designing issue. And the flexibility can also be addressed using the same concept or using the memory to store the control signals which are required during different micro operations. Due to this, we will be able to easily modify the memory and change the control unit design whenever we are required to. So keeping these two suggestions in mind, let's look at the concept of microprogrammed control unit. The concept of microprogram was introduced in early 1950s by scientist M.V. Wilks. So this scientist gave an idea that each micro operation can be described using statements. For example, we are having the micro operations of transferring data from the program counter to memory address register or adding to register and storing the value. So these micro operations can be represented by some instructions looking statements like move mar, PC or add r1, r2. So we are anyway using somewhat programming languages in describing these operations. So basically, we can write instructions to represent each micro operation. And if we can do that, we can have a complete microprogram describing the operations of control unit. This was the idea behind the microprogram. And the instruction which describes the micro operation is nothing but micro instruction. So let's look at the micro instruction concept. So the micro instruction can be defined as a sequence of bits which describes the set of micro operation which will be performed in one clock cycle. If you remember, during the design of control unit, we said that in each clock cycle, the control unit has to assign control signals to the processor. So the same thing can be done using micro instructions. So how do we realize this in practice? So we have the control unit generating control signals during each clock cycles. But these control signals are nothing but sequence of bits 1 and 0 because each control line can either be 1, that is high, or low, 0. So basically the entire control signals in each clock cycle can be represented using as a bit sequence, that is control word. And we are going to have different control words for different micro operations. What if we were able to save all of these control words in a separate memory and access them whenever they are needed? Okay, so we are having a control memory. Each of the control word is going to have a unique address and is going to contain control words. And while performing a particular micro operation, we are just going to access the word and send it to the processor or the processor units. So this is the basic idea behind the microprogram control unit. And we are going to have a sequence of micro instructions which contain the control words in some format or the other. And they can be directly sent to the functional units inside a processor. So in the next videos, we are going to see more details about micro instruction format, how the instruction or how the control word information is conveyed through micro instruction and the design of control memory. Please stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.